The South Umpqua School District is making great progress on updating, remodeling, and improving the learning environment in every building in the district. Cosmetic improvements make things look better, but structurally, 2 schools are in need of replacement, and you play a role in what happens next as we work to unlock the future of South Umpqua schools. The 2 oldest buildings in the district are at Coffinberry Middle School and Canyonville School. Coffinberry's sprawling campus and 71-year-old main building present safety, infrastructure, and technology issues. Canyonville School's 86-year-old main building, widespread layout, outdated gymnasium, and proximity to I-5 create considerable safety concerns and barriers to education. The main building and the gym at Canyonville School was built in 1935 and was Canyonville High until 1965. Gloria McGinnis was cheer queen and graduated from there in 1949.
Strawberry shortcake, huckleberry pie, VICTORY. Are we in it? Well, I guess. Canyonville High School, yes, yes, yes.
Gloria's great-granddaughter will be attending school in the same building Gloria went to 72 years ago.
Actually, I am surprised this building is still here. It was built in 1935. I don't think it was built to still be standing 86 years later.
It takes a lot of work by a lot of people to continue working inside a building this old. Canyonville Principal Doug Park has been one of those working to overcome the challenges of the campus for the past 4 years.
Here at Canyonville School, we have a great staff who are really excellent problem solving, and they really make a lot of things work, but really they shouldn't have to after a period of time. They should just be focusing in on what's most important, which is getting to student learning instead of trying to figure out ways to make our physical environment work properly.
That physical environment includes heating and cooling in classrooms, an extreme lack of storage and staff space, and a major concern around safety, as described by soon-to-be 6th grader Addison Mayfield.
The road is really, really close to the windows of our classroom, and sometimes we see people who are like talking to themselves and acting weird, and it makes me feel kind of not safe.
South Umpqua School Board member Randy Richardson went to Canyonville School in the 90s.
Safety and security of the school here obviously is a concern, being a parent of a student here. I-5 running right at the back of the property. The main street of the town runs right in front of the property. The school district has done a good job of making do with what they can by fencing in stuff, but it's definitely not ideal in today's time versus 30 or 40 years ago.
The main building at Coffinberry has been standing since 1948. Principal Laura Smith went there in the late 70s.
Paint only goes so far, the little sayings only go so far. We need a place for our kids to feel like they matter, that we want to invest in a place that is right for our community, and it's right for them. They need to be proud of their school.
The South Umpqua School Board has used federal, state, and local grants to address seismic upgrades, new windows, and some safety improvements throughout the school district. Their work has been remarkable, extending the lives of the oldest buildings in the district, maximizing the investment communities have made in their schools. But the time may have come for new school buildings to be built. The South Umpqua School District Board is looking into ways to continue improving the buildings and layouts at Coffinberry and Canyonville schools to address these concerns. Learn more about the effort and stay connected to the process at southumpquaschools.com.